guys, I'm back again, same day, and what I've got is the thread up shoebox. That's not exactly in the order that things came in. In fact, this is the last box that I got, but I'm so curious. Everything else I except for the Goodwill blue box, men's stuff, the other Goodwill stuff I already know what it is. I just haven't seen it because obviously I ordered it, but and the Nordstrom, I saw what I ordered, but I just haven't seen it in person. So this is the Goodwill blue box, and I have already cut it and looked in, just peeked in because I needed to know if it was the shoes or if it was the denim, and it is definitely the shoes. So once I figured that out, I closed it right up, and here's my little invoice of the size 9 rescue box shoes, 7 pairs. And I got a size 9 because I wear a 8.5 or a 9, and I'm hoping for a pair of boots for myself, or something for myself. I don't know. If not, I'll be selling them. Ooh, love these. Saving these for shipping all my hard goods stuff. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I've got one in a box. Ooh, that's interesting. Okay, well here, let me show you. Everything is individually wrapped. I know sometimes they show some that are not always. Okay, these are heels or booties, I think. Let's see. I like to save this stuff because I do reuse this. I stuff the purses and stuff like that. Ooh. Oh, these are heels. These are Dolce Vita. Ooh, those are cute, aren't they? Ooh, and they have the zipper in the back. Oh, and then the heels are in great condition. Soles are a little dirty, which I will clean. But wow, they're not dirty anywhere other than the soles, so they have been well cared for, I think. Let me do the zippers up here. Wow. I've got to get some of those shoe forms. Now, this is not something that I could wear. I mean, at my age, I can't wear heels. Even this high is too high for me. I fall flat on my face. I can do wedges, and I still do, but not heels. Heels proper. But you see, these are really, really, really cute. Those should sell well. Actually, those would be okay for like Poshmark. I'm impressed. So good so far, thread up. Ooh, I'm going to save the ones in the box for last, I think. Okay, here's the next one. Again, I'm just going to see if I can pull these out. Ooh, I don't know who this is. Ooh, I like these. Now, these I would wear. These I would wear. This one is a little, it needs to be stretched out. I need those kind of shoe stretchers. This is Anne Klein Sport, and they should be size 9 medium. And they're black, like a knit or sateen or gabardine like fabric you see on pants, and then patent leather. Soles are, you know what, guys, if these were worn on anything other than carpet, they look brand new, but they are bent like they were stored badly. But there's no signs of wear, absolutely no signs of wear. I have to get shoe stretchers for those before I could even sell them, I think. They they need to be stretched out like that. Oh, but those are cute. Very dressy. I wouldn't keep these for myself. I don't go enough places that it would matter, that I would want to wear something like that. So, okay, these look like a pair of flats. And see if I can pull these out. These are Aldo. I have no idea who that is. This is a synthetic material. Aldo 39. If anybody knows anything about that, please comment. And yes, they are a size, well, 39, I guess that's a 9, right? I don't know. I really don't know. I could try one on real quick and see. Because, like I said, I'm an 8.5 or a 9. And with pointed toes like that, well, yeah, I guess they're a 9. Interesting. Kind of cute. Cute, actually. But they're like a synthetic vinyl something, nothing special. But I guess they're okay. Okay. Now the next pair is, they look promising. They look promising, guys. Ew. These are very different. Low-heeled enough that I could actually wear these. Look at that. That's cute, isn't it, with the zipper? It's got a little dirt on it there. But other than that, you can't see anywhere on the heels. That is what gets me. Maybe from the car to a carpeted surface. If that, there's no toe marks, there's no nothing. Just this little, oh, it's like a gluey something that will just come off with like that goof off stuff. Other than that, these could, I think, well, there is like discoloration here, but nothing on the heel. So that's, maybe they were just samples that were tried on a lot. I don't know. There's a little, no, that's just fuzz. That's the only visible sign is that little thing right there. But these are quite cute, actually. Very cute. Okay. Now the next pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I supposed to have 7 or 6? Is it 7 pairs of shoes or 6? What is 9? 7. It is 7. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can pull these out. These are patent leather. Ooh, just very nice. Vince Camuto. Isn't that something that's on like Home Shopping Network or QVC or something? There's a little spot on the inside here where the lining has, I don't know, kind of come up, but I have shoe glue. There's on this side here where the patent leather, and I have patent leather paint, and they show a little wear on the bottom, but the heels are excellent, and that's the most important thing. You can see on the bottom here, it's got the Vince Camuto thing. They're the peep toe. Just a career shoe, patent leather. Very nice, very, very nice. But you can see that damage right there. I can see why ThreadUp wouldn't want that. You can see that there. But that is fixable for me to do. Very fixable. So good deal. So far, so good, guys. Now these are big, whatever they are. Ooh, they're boots. Oh my goodness, they're Uggs. They're Uggs, guys. Can you believe it? Uggs. Oh my goodness. Uggs. They're the glitter Uggs. Look at that. my goodness, look at the glitter Uggs. They are so cute. Excellent. On the bottom, just a little dirt. And this one here, yeah, you can see there's a little dirt on the bottom, so they need to be cleaned. But otherwise, the sequins, these are sequin, not glitter, sequined, are perfect. No wear anywhere. Somebody wore these maybe once or twice, and that was it. Oh my goodness. Have still smell like the factory smell. These are so cute. Oh, those are going to do so well. Yeah, the sequins are perfect. Cool, guys, huh? Okay, here's the pair in the box. That isn't the type of boot I was looking for. I have some, so that is not what I was looking for. These maybe, Sasha, S-A-C-H-A, Sasha London, Oxford, size 39. Well, no boots, but they have the stretchers and the toe things and the cover. Oh, and the little thingies. Very possible these have not been worn either. Oh, cute. So cute. Oh, I really like these. And these are new. They still have the little hang tag thing with it. So they're new without tag. But no, they can't be new. Sasha London, handmade in Spain, size 39. It's got this black thing on the bottom. They are worn on the bottom, but that just takes a little fixing. You can see how they get like that. They sort of fray on the bottom, but that's easily fixed. That is so cool. That emblem, it's raised. I don't know if you can see it here. Oh, it is raised. It's a placket. Very cute. These are extremely cute shoes. Look at the pattern on that. Is that not the cutest thing? Oh, you don't know how I wish I could wear heels like this, because this is right up my alley. I love these. Absolutely. Absolutely love. These must be, I'm thinking, pretty expensive shoes. And they are all leather. All leather. Leather, leather, leather. Everything is leather. Wow. Heels are perfect. A little scuff there. You can hardly see it because of the pattern. And even that can be smoothed and fixed. Wow. Oh, I love those. Love, love, love. Okay, guys. So that is the ThredUp shoe unboxing. Thank you for coming and watching me unbox these fabulous shoes, and thank you ThredUp. They're great. They're all great. I think they should do well, even though they're not for winter except for the Uggs. But the Uggs, those alone more than paid for what I paid, which was what? Where's my paper here? I think it was $40. Yeah, $40. It more the Uggs more than paid for that. So yes, definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I am very, very happy. Okay, guys. So thank you, and again, subscribe if you want to see more. And I am Vintage Bohemian. That's my channel. And I'm going to do another one right after this of the Nordstrom rack items that I just received, the box that I received. Okay, guys, see you there. Bye.